And in our top business story, a new report by real estate consultancy firm CBRE has shown that Dubai has retained its position as the second most important international shopping destination globally for the fourth consecutive year. The 2015 edition of How Global is the Business of Retail showed that Dubai has a presence of 55.7% of international retailers, followed by Shanghai with 53.4%. New York and Singapore make up the rest of the top 5 international cities for retail representation with 46.3% and 46% respectively. CBRE said during the course of 2014, Dubai attracted 45 new international brands with high-profile retailers, including Hollister, Cavalli Cafe, and McHugh Alexander McQueen, opening outlets in the Emirate. Abu Dhabi also featured prominently on the list of target cities, with 55 new brands ranking the Emirate in third place for new retail entrants during 2014, behind Tokyo with 63. The report showed that the traditional retail grouping of London, Paris, and New York continued to be challenged and in some cases overtaken by cities from Asia Pacific and the Middle East, with CBRE officials stating that the trend is likely to continue. Retailer globalization remained a key theme, with half of the 164 cities surveyed attracting at least 5 new retailers. Mid-range fashion retailers remained the most active sector globally and focused on targeting the European market, with luxury and business fashion retailers continue to target the Americas and Asia-Pacific region, with 26% of expansion into the Americas and 24% in Asia. Property consultancy Cluttons has released its Spring 2015 Dubai Commercial Property Outlook report that shows that office rents across Dubai's prime and secondary markets stabilized in the first quarter of 2015. This is following a slowdown in the rate of rent increases during last quarter of 2014, as the industrial market retained its momentum. While Grade A office rents in Dubai grew by 14% in 2014, secondary space saw a more substantial 24% uplift last year, according to Cluttons research. It added that in the secondary market, rents have been affected by the abundance of stock, which continues to trickle through in locations such as Jumeirah Lake Towers and Business Bay. While demand for Grade A space remains diverse and strong, mirroring the growth across the various business segments of the economy, average rents have stabilized. The report also reflects the results of the latest Dubai Economic Department Business Confidence Survey, where 69% of responding businesses have indicated that they will invest in capacity expansion over the next 12 months, with the outlook for business remaining upbeat, with over 2/3 of businesses expecting a rise in their level of trading, while 26% expect to increase their headcount over the year. Plans have been unveiled to build a 700 million dirhams integrated affordable homes project at Dubai World Central. MAG 5 Property Development, a real estate company formed jointly by MAG Property Development and MBM Holding, announced the launch of MAG 5 Boulevard, a project that will be located within DWC's residential zone and will feature more than 1,000 residential units plus a range of amenities. The project is scheduled to break ground in the fourth quarter of 2015 and once complete will spread over 800,000 square feet. Phase 1 handover for the development is scheduled to commence in the first quarter of 2018. Corporate social responsibility, CSR, is becoming increasingly ingrained in Middle East business strategies, with an emphasis on gender equality, innovation, and social entrepreneurship, according to sustainability experts. More than 50 international and regional experts are attending the 12th edition of the CSR Summit, held under the patronage of His Excellency Khalid Al-Kamda, the Director General of Community Development Authority from the Government of Dubai. This year, the summit, which kicked off in Dubai earlier today, will focus on leading organizational growth, driving community development, and building business sustainability through CSR.
For us, CSR and the summit is really about connecting minds, both from all aspects. For us as a government, it's very interesting to see the interest among the corporate in sustainable programs that has an impact on not only the country but the globe as such.
According to the organizers, the four-day summit will include speed networking sessions, CSR Excellence Awards, live interactive voting for the best social initiative prepared by young students from the UAE, an NGO-focused hub, and CSR boot camps to transfer learning into actionable strategies. They also added that this year's event is engineered to not only share success stories on the surface level, but also delve deeper into the implementation process of CSR strategies and sustainability integration. Experts at the summit have cited a tangible shift in businesses and organizations in the region, taking responsibility for improving sustainability methods and in tackling change through social innovation.
The main aim of the summit is to create that platform, a collaborative platform for everyone to come together to create partnerships and create programs that are impactful for the community, and hopefully year on year building that and for them to come and see what that impact is. Obviously it's long term, so you have to kind of be patient and see a sustainable impact. So you have to that's the whole idea of CSR, is to be more sustainable.
As businesses, we don't operate in silos, right? From societies and from the communities in which we exist. I mean, at the end of the day, we are an intricate part of these societies, and we have to give back and contribute. The key, though, which comes about when I talk about PepsiCo, is that the way we look at CSR is not as something that we do on the side. It's not like doing good acts on the side, but we rather look at it from a sustainability perspective.